4 is Creality Halot Lite Resin 3D Printer. The Creality Halot Lite Resin 3D Printer is an excellent option for producing high-quality miniatures. This 3D printer is outfitted with a self-developed, integrated light source that utilizes reflection and refraction to have a uniform light intensity distribution across the entire screen, resulting in high-precision prints. With a light source energy uniformity exceeding 80%, the printer produces consistent results even as individual lamp beads attenuate. This 4K 3D printer is equipped with an 8.9-inch monochrome LCD screen with a resolution of 3840x2400, and it only requires 1-4/layer contact curing resin, resulting in fast and accurate printing. The larger print volume of 192120*200 mm provides ample space to create any 3D models, while the transparent cover allows you to monitor the printing process safely. The printer boasts an ARM Cortex-A53 processor and 64-bit quad-core computing and image processing functions, ensuring smooth operation and printing accuracy. At the same time, the 5-inch touchscreen provides an intuitive interface for easy operation. The Creality Halot Lite Resin 3D printer has multiple applications, including toy models, household products, jewelry design, architectural models, and dentistry. The printer's official service includes 12 months of after-sales support, ensuring customers receive prompt assistance. If you are prying for the 3D printer, then check the link in the description box to buy it. Number 5 is